Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into FNB online banking account. FNB Banking Online is where you can view detailed balances, transfer funds between accounts, buy forex, activate, cancel or order FNB cards and so much more. Now for that, firstly make sure to open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.fnb.co.za and press enter. You will be now lead to this official home page, and at the top right you can see the option where you can fill down your credentials. Now before that, make sure you have your account. If you don't have your account, then there you can see the option of register. You can click over there and they will be guiding you further to register for your FNB account. Now if you already have your account, all you need to do is enter your username and password. In case if you have forgotten your username or your password, here you can see the option forgot username or password. You can click over there and they will be guiding you further to recover it. If your credentials are ready, then you can simply click on login and you will be successfully logged into your FNB account. And this is how easily you can log into your FNB online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.